Hey everybody, John Martinez here. Thanks for tuning in. Today is Monday, the 9th of July, 2018. And of course, we're just getting back to a regular work week for most people, that is. Last week we had the 4th of July right in the middle of the week on Wednesday. And, I know some people may have had to have worked, or some people may have chosen to work. And to be perfectly honest, I hadn't planned on taking too much time off myself. I had, really kind of planned on working, most of the week. But 4th of July, we really got to do, kind of a typical American thing, barbecue, fireworks, so on and so forth. And Friday, as many of you may know who saw the video that I posted on Friday, I was at a mastermind event that Ty Lopez was hosting at his home in Beverly Hills. So that was actually very interesting. I'm going to be sharing some things with you about what I learned at that event, not on this video, but on a subsequent video. But just some dynamic speakers, a great opportunity to network up, as we say, or as we like to say. So that provided some great opportunities for that, made a lot of good contacts. And hopefully, we will get some fruit from those contacts that we made and those relationships that we started to plant seeds with. In any event, just wanted to get back at it here because I hadn't posted too many videos last week, and that's one of the cool things though about being an internet marketer or an entrepreneur, or if you have an ad agency like I've started. One of the cool things is that being your own boss. We could take time off when we want to, and having an internet business, just because we're not in our office, and my office is at home. The thing is that I could still be getting work done if I absolutely needed to, because with an internet connection and my smartphone, that's really all that I need. And so, that I'm truly, truly grateful to have that luxury and that freedom to do that. That is one of the principles that I'm always striving for, which is, that time freedom, location freedom, and along with that, of course, is the financial freedom. But anyway, I didn't have too much planned to discuss on this video. Again, just getting back at it this week. Do look forward for subsequent videos on some of the things that I learned at the mastermind at Ty Lopez's place. And that's it for today. I'll talk to you soon. Hope you're having a great week so far. I know it's only Monday, but it's going to be a phenomenal week. And I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye for now.